Hi there! Let's review how to unmanage and delete devices from Jamf Pro. Unmanaged devices do not count towards the number of licenses used by an organization. This process allows admins to remove the Jamf management framework, but still retain the inventory record in Jamf Pro for devices not currently in use. From the Jamf Pro dashboard, click Computers. For this example, I'm going to unmanage a computer. However, if you want to unmanage a mobile device, click Devices and follow the same steps. Click Search Inventory and find the computer you want to unmanage. Navigate to the Management tab, and in the Management Command section, click Remove MDM Profile. If you want to unmanage a mobile device, click Unmanage Device instead. This action cannot be undone, so be sure you've selected the correct device. When ready, click OK to remove the MDM profile. After refreshing the page, we can see that the unenroll command has been sent and is currently pending. After that computer receives the command and completes the unmanage action, we can see that we no longer have any options for management commands and only the inventory record remains. If we wanted to completely remove a device from Jamf Pro, because perhaps we're going to be donating or recycling it, we can remove the inventory record by clicking Delete in the bottom right. After confirming the deletion, the device and its inventory record are permanently removed from Jamf Pro. Thanks for watching.